It is very beautiful here, and it's a Saturday morning. I'm in the woods, and what I really enjoy is the bird sound. So what I can hear is this special sonorities, and somehow this is good for me. I cannot explain. It's like DNA style, something good for us. So it is different things in the wood. It is oxygen, it is the aura from the wood, it is the birds chirping. This is amazing. This one melody, one harmony, and one symphony. So I hope you can hear something of the birds. Maybe. I hope you can hear something. So, if you can, then go outside in the wood and enjoy, or on the meadow, wherever the birds can sing. If you are not able to, then you want to change something in your life, maybe. Maybe not. Have a nice day.